Hello, everyone. My name is Romela Antonio, and I am a sales account manager here at Atlas Insurance. And I will be going into more details about personal umbrella insurance today. So, what is personal umbrella insurance? It is an extra layer of protection that goes over and above the liability coverage you carry on your homeowners and auto insurance. Let me explain. Everyone has personal liability coverage on both their homeowners and auto insurance to protect you in case you are responsible for injuries or damages to someone else. But what happens if the injuries or damages you cause goes beyond the limit of liability on your policy? This is where the personal umbrella insurance comes in and will make the additional payout on your behalf rather than you paying the remaining amount out of your pocket. The personal umbrella policy can also extend additional liability coverage to your insurance for secondary or rental properties, as well as other lines of insurance like boat coverage. I want to confirm the personal umbrella insurance is strictly liability coverage to pay on your behalf to someone else and does not pay for damages to your own property or injuries. To recap, the personal umbrella insurance can extend additional liability coverage for home insurance claims for your primary residence, as well as other properties you own in the U.S. as a secondary residence or rental properties, auto insurance claim, boat insurance claim, and motorcycle insurance claim. The personal umbrella insurance can also provide protection for situations that other types of personal insurance policies do not cover, specifically against damages assessed for libel, slander, and invasion of privacy. This extra coverage can be a lifesaver in a major liability claim. Now that we know the types of insurance the personal umbrella policy can apply to, I also want to confirm who is covered under an umbrella policy. First of all, you are covered as a name insured as well as your spouse as long as he or she resides with you. Your residents, relative are also covered, and this would be your children, parents, and sibling that live in your household. The umbrella policy will also apply toward household residents under the age of 21 who are under your care as well as any person authorized to drive your vehicle. Finally, the umbrella policy will also cover any person or organization while the insured is using the covered motor vehicle. An example of this would be if you borrow someone else's vehicle and cause an accident, the umbrella insurance can still apply to cover you as the driver. So now that we know who is covered under an umbrella policy, I want to go over of some of the underlying requirements which are usually consistent with all insurance carrier. The standard coverage requirements are having between 300,000 to 500,000 of personal liability coverage on your home policy, having bodily injury coverage on your auto insurance of 300,000 per person to 300,000 per accident, or 250,000 per person, 500,000 per accident. Having a property damage coverage of your auto insurance of 100,000. Some carriers may require that you have your home and auto insurance with the same carrier in order to also have an umbrella policy. But people should know that there are insurance carriers who can write a standalone umbrella coverage without having to switch your home and auto insurance. So let's run through a claim scenario to see how the umbrella policy would apply. In this example, there is a fire that started in your home that causes 300,000 of damage to your home and 100,000 damage to your belonging. The fire also spread to your neighbors' homes, causing a total of 900,000 in damages to their homes as well. The first insurance policy to apply here is your home insurance policy that will cover the 300,000 of damage to your home under your dwelling coverage, assuming you have at least the limit of coverage on your policy. The personal property coverage from your home insurance will apply towards the 100,000 of damage to your belongings. Most home insurance policies currently have 500,000 of personal liability coverage, so that would apply to the 900,000 in damages to your neighbors. If you don't have an umbrella policy, the remaining 400,000 of damages will need to be paid out of your pocket, which could jeopardize your overall asset and future wages. However, if you have the umbrella policy, you have additional liability protection once your home insurance is used up. In this case, the umbrella policy will be able to pay the remaining 400,000 of damages to your neighbor's home. That is a large amount of coverage the umbrella policy can provide for you and your family in a major claim. So final things to know is that there are umbrella limits from 1 million to 10 million to protect you, but the cost can be very affordable. Most umbrella policy average from $150 to $300 per year in costs. When you think about the amount of protection provided by an umbrella policy, this can be a small price to pay for the extra peace of mind, knowing you are protecting your family and your asset. Feel free to reach out to me or my team at Atlas Insurance with any question or to get a free personal umbrella policy quote. I have my contact information here, and you can also find us online at www.atlasinsurance.com. Thank you very much for your time and be safe.